So at Deposit Insurance, we ask a lot of questions. And the reason we ask a lot of questions is because underwriters are curious by nature, and the more they know about a business, the more willing they are to be able to help that business or approve that business for getting insurance coverage. So we ask a lot of questions to be able to determine that, right? And so we get the question a lot, like, well, why do you need to know that? Well, claims are complicated. Everybody kind of thinks of a loss and kind of goes to those really, really basic things like a slip and fall or a building burning down. But the average claim is actually something, a divergent of that, like something very different from that. And so they've had situations where they don't want to pay certain types of claims because they've gotten out of hand. They've gotten way out of hand. So they ask questions to kind of narrow the scope and to have a better understanding of the business, because there's some risks that they want to take on and other risks that they just aren't comfortable taking on. And knowing which companies will do that is our job. But if you give us the information, it shortens the time between getting the information and getting the quote, because we know which carriers will immediately say no, and we can go to those carriers that say yes and then talk to you about what those premiums are and what those things are.